Halter. Pag ganyan siya, oh. X sa likod. Code na lang ako dito, Diwata. Small, small, medium carry. Diwata. Ay, basta ganun siya. Maganda to. Mine, Diwata. Small, med. Stretch, sis darling, yours. Stretch 80. Ganda ni Diwata. Diwata. Sa'yo nga. Sis Marjeline. Diwata 80. Next, medium quality. Mine quality, medium size. Quality. Next, a blouse to. For free blouse. For free blouse. Next, small to mid design. Uy, ang ganda. Design, ang ganda. Small, medium, design. Next, medium borda. Mine borda, medium size. Borda. Blouse is Rowena for free. Yours is Rowena. Next, another pa fairy, medium size. Code lang malinis. Malinis, medium. Next. Papa Swiss dot, medium size. Simple. Mine simple. Medium simple. Next. Large semi-XL, verde. Mine verde, large semi-XL. Verde. Malinis is Josephine. 80 yours. Ay, ganun. Next, large. Presko. May tali sa waist. Presko. Next, ang ganda nito. Small to med. Social. Social. Small to med. Social. Ay, ang cute. Short. Ay, dito. Verde. Sis Letty, yours, 80. Presko sis Darling, 80. Medium code ng short. Short. Social sis Darling. Yours sis Darling, social, 80. Next, medium semi-large polka. Mine polka. Next, large design. Design large. Design. Design. Next, small to mid palda. Mine, palda. Small to mid. Palda. Ito ba yun? Ah, wala. Design sis Charlita, 80. Next. Medium semi-large vintage. Vintage. Next. Med to semi-large dark. Dark. Palda sis Darling, 80. Kay sis Charlita, tsaka kay sis Darling. 80 pa rin. Next, XL, gatas. Mine gatas, XL. Ito, may paganyan siya. Large size, code ng belt. Mine belt, large. Dark sis, Darling, dark. 80. Ayun yan. Yun yan. Ayan sis Dread. Medium semi-large stretch. Stretch. Gata sis Mohana, 60. Medium, maxi. Maxi, medium size. Maxi. Next, large XL, makulay. Makulay, large XL. XL, butterfly. Butterfly. Makulay sis Charlita. 80. Large, violet. Violet, large. Kay sis Charlita. Maxi sis Kate, 80. Next. Large, yellow. Mine, yellow, large. Yellow. Violet sis Nez, 80. Next. Medium, semi-large. Pleated. Pleated. Next, large, pastel. Mine, pastel.